Thanks, but no thanks, in other words.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Thanks, but no thanks, coach.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Today we are learning a very common but polite English phrase. Thanks, but no thanks. It sounds confusing, right? You say thanks, but you actually mean no. Let's understand it properly. Thanks, but no thanks is a polite way to say no. When someone offers you something but you don't want it, you say thanks first to be nice, then no thanks to refuse it. The thanks part shows you appreciate the offer, but no thanks part makes it clear that you are refusing it.